Ready to play tug of war?
Hey, Kyan? Kyan?
Yeah.
You have your class today, babe?
Mhm.
So I need you to get your sticks ready. Okay?
You hit it. You hit the camera. Ah. Whoa.
Kyan?
Mhm.
Can you get your sticks ready, please?
Yeah.
You're only charging $1 more for 6 sessions? 6 sessions?
I don't know what to do. If I had more time, I could sit down and figure it out. Like, I'm giving them way too much of a discount.
Yes, you are. And you're charging the same thing for 1 session.
Good
1
druid.
session, $50. This should be
I don't have
$30
time.
a person. We increase that.
So 12
So that would
sessions
be
should be
60.
25.
Yeah.
25 a session, it should be.
Yeah, you should put this 25, this 30, and this like $30. I think just one session, walk in, $35.
Each?
Yeah.